Hey everyone, a week ago, I started an experiment, AI versus S&P 500, an AI running portfolio against the market. So, who's winning? Let's look at last week's results and what AI does next. All right, here's where we are after week one. The AI portfolio is up 0.84%, while the S&P 500 gained 1.24%. So yes, the AI is currently trailing the market, but it's still holding a large cash position. Here's what the portfolio looked like before the new decisions. So the real question is, what does the AI do now? Let's take a quick look at how the AI actually works. It all comes down to 6 simple steps. First, the system collects raw signal from news, search data, and social sentiment. Here's a snapshot of the ideas collected this week, driven by news, search activity, and sentiment shifts. Step 2, the macro environment. The AI evaluates growth, inflation, and overall market regime. Macro check, slowing growth, moderate inflation, market near highs, selective accumulation. Before making any move, it checks the current portfolio. How much is invested? Where is the risk? What's overexposed? The portfolio is concentrated in large-cap AI and cloud leaders. Cash is still elevated, keeping overall risk moderate. Step 4, not every idea makes the cut. Only selected names move into the watch list. And this is the full structure, multiple agents feeding into one decision-maker, the AI, acting as CIO. All right. The agents have done their job. All the data is in. Now, the CIO steps in. Let's see what we ended up with. First, I want to show you the CIO's output exactly as it is, and then we'll break it down step by step. First decision, increase Microsoft. The position moves from roughly 6% to 9%. Why? Strong fundamentals, accelerating Azure growth, and the stock has pulled back from its highs. The investment thesis hasn't changed, but the price improved. Next, Oracle. The position increases from about 5% to 7%. The key driver here is explosive RPO growth and accelerating OCI momentum. Even though the business is improving, the stock is still trading near the lower end of its range. And here's the new name, Google. The AI initiates a 5% position. This is a structural AI platform with strong cloud momentum. Massive capex is building a long-term moat, but notice it's only a pilot position. And even after these purchases, cash remains high, about 53%. The market is still near its highs, so the AI keeps strategic flexibility. This is selective accumulation, not full deployment. Here's the updated portfolio. Stronger weights in Microsoft and Oracle, a new position in Google. Cash remains high. The goal isn't to beat the market in 7 days, it's to outperform over time. That requires patience and discipline. And that wraps up week 2. Positions increased, a new stock added. Now we wait to see how the market reacts and what the AI does next. If you want to follow the experiment week by week, subscribe.